na bara ha ọdụ na ọ bọrọ na-asị na ọ ga-anwụ na oge tere ikpu ya o ji kukumba na-egbu ya ihe ọ na-adị ọkritik iji na ekpere bụ ọgwụ mgbọrọ chee ekpere bụ ọgwụ mgbọrọ a ga-agwa agbọ ya ọkọtik ekpere bụ ọgwụ mgbọrọ n'elu ụwa ekpere bụ ọgwụ mgbọrọ a ga-agwa agbọ ya ọkọtik ekpere bụ na-agwụ mgbọrọ ihe dadi m gọziri mụọ ekpere bụ na-agwụ mgbọrọ a ga na-akpọ ya ọkọtik seriously that you are acquired that you acquire power from your king. From your kingdom, who on earth will be doing 16 hours and still have strength to I don't want to laugh. Oh, Dibu Karena match. He has been ringing this for this. Are you fucking serious? To someone elisi oyirin kelibe to someone elisimo oyirin keligbe chebe nwa gị o oyirin keligbe abụ na agwụ gbara oyirin keligbe chebe nwa gị o Alenga Hello Ntigrasi
Jpac. If you go na you need to be still. You need to go. So you must push no to me. Ima push no to me. More I work na you know not to get to work. You tell me I can get to jail this time around. I don't know what but I was with me. You see, don't try me. Because this fight is like, oh my God, put the final fight. Do you think Ogechi is daft? Let Jpac try that. When he hear Ogechi in a voice note, he keep outside. Imagine Jpac giving you anything Ogechi is talking about.
Imagine.
Is there anything? Was there anything Ogechi can prove now about you?
You
but the last man Ogechi could be online. What can you voice note or the Jpac will have Ogechi, which is Jpac and my personal issue. Jpac will parrot. He is the parrot. I was in some of the calls.
Thank you.
This I was.
When are you my right person? Because they ask
the truth. The thing is, Ogechi is not obliged to bring out any voice note until when it's necessary. She's not obliged to bring any fucking voice note for any bagger. Una bolo court, una bolo the judge.
For that matter.
Voice notes are played when it's necessary.
For that matter.
And some of the things Jpac people and Romania. Jpac, if you man Chinedu Wadike.
Thank you. On a matter, Abama voice, Abama to stop, Abama him just finish show. Wow, I don't matter.
He's something like a lot of things.
Information.
One ebo when we Jpac ebo about Nagi Chinedu Wadike. Jpac was even very angry. He wanted to like.
He said a lot of things.
The guy.
Idiots don't know that it's being recorded.
Jpac was even trying to come out and start staggering Chinedu about something like that. So Chinedu later came out, said that even in his sick bed, because the woman guy got anyway, he said because no one was Jiakaya, where any the money, no way any scam and last scam, which he had there. Chinedu said it, trying to clarify online because people was so angry, he was so furious that people now all knew that time. Never wanted to come and start talking blah 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 and kill basket mouth. So all these people that are trying to push Ogechi, okay, she's not obliged to bring out any fucking voice note until when it's necessary. I don't know why Stagger people are looking for someone who will get justice for. So
as Jpac said when he returned, he will go Lego. Really? I will first of all lega his ass for even bringing my father's picture. Him get sue ya billions, even trillions. I get that picture. I will first of all lega on his ass. Jpac, I go first to lega on your fucking ass.
If he sues you, so
I will sue the merciless out of your generation.
Look at this idiot.
Never even have it for. Una be talk, una be gay. I will sue the destiny fucked up of his life. Did I hear Lego? Did I hear Legos? Hey, big computer. Now me go first scatter your generation. Iga my father's picture. Iga that person that gave you that my father promono. That number. You will tell me. Look at the or should I be on the mad? All of you guys are useless. Jpac, anytime you return, Ogechi on here, go nowhere. And I'm here. If a money get meeting in Nigeria, and you to the soup from there. Come on, Susan phone me. Oh, Jpac go to way hope. Anyway, Jpac return, I'm here. My MG women are people calling me, but when Molly return, I can't allow our business. I'm here, baby. I love you, brother. I'm here, baby. Peter, your network is not joining. Look at me. When for bringing out my dead father, my dad every day. Na me be your wahala. There is no hope for the way that they look for hope. Hope at the law. He can provide that person that sent you where my daddy was lying at state. He can provide that person that before American HIPAA law that no patient should be exposed. Una de colo. Una de colo. You guys are even. Jpac, I wish you would go Lego. I wish you would fucking go Lego. Can I transfer to international courts? I wish you would go Lego. That this thing you guys said is nothing but the truth. Hello?
Hello, okay.
You
can alive.
Yeah, I can alive.
Because check speaker.
In on a speaker.
Okay. The man I got into no you
These people are mad though. Chineke.
I'm going him to reach a macador. Amaka Dora, I want to ask you this question.
Why is that guys whenever commentary?
Yes.
Okay.
Amaka Dora on a platform Uriako.
Okay.
Now see Uriako that na ya ga forgive you Nkechi Benko. Basically on Uba Keza had this man. If I knew ban on a mortuary, then we are more about him. Na drag here. And then we will be adding him. So not the same thing Nkechi Benko me when man on a mortuary.
Okay.
And Nkechi Benko na one name why na drag here. That she will never forgive them that go out. Amaka don't with him charge again. So it drag again. You are not saying that Nkechi Benko drag again. We magin na mortuary. Were you not the one that paid
Nkechi Benko to saga my father?
Are you not the one that paid you and your sister paid everything that Jillian Ogechi and paid? So now, you see the reason why you see on the way.
Nkechi Benko, why are you hiding majority of the things in this idiot?
I don't know.
Why are you hiding these people? Saga material.
Did I hear you said you will not forgive Nkechi Benko na one name? You are nobody.
Hey!
You are fucking nobody. Chineke Woge.
Went and paid people to use my father as a burial corpse.
A man that owns a house, a pillar of the house, a father, a grandfather, a husband.
Hey!
Let Dr. Timothy Okeke. Nji ya mwuri picture ya mbongo picture ya na Jpac webta in the palace of food. Ji na platform NK. Nkechi Benko refused because Nkechi Benko told me vividly na ya jura junior who na see no me when he give me no mo ya na so. Nkechi Benko did it. And room waking ikina ya ni bido saga wa Nkechi Benko. Nkechi Benko abagoro ge saga. Na ge saga forgive Nkechi Benko na one year.
Singapore.
So what do you expect Oge to do you? Oge to impress you. Right? Upon any mere with a picture on Pana, you need no number. Eh? Na Akwa na
my daddy's burial. This girl, this old woman, her shower was busy clicking love. Was busy sending love emoji.
I wouldn't know any love emoji. She was writing, saying Nkechi Benko right
down.
Right down. I saw her comments. Right down. On my phone, maybe because I screenshotted that and I kept it. You were cheering Nkechi Benko up. See right.
Peter, I'm here making network. Who this idiot one or here? Who the fuck is your useless mother? Who the fuck is your useless mother?
Wait. Do you think Nkechi Benko as if she cares about me, forgive you or not? Are you seeing Nkechi Benko as if she cares?
Yeah, these people are bastards.
One good turn deserves another. This is what you did to let Dr. Timothy. And you are coming back, nigga.
Because of Jpac brought out my father. Jpac, if you don't take me to court, to come back, if you don't take me to court, who
is that your mother?
Peter, I don't know what's wrong with your network.
You started doing that. Specifically, you and Gladys in Nikki. Moon begins burial online. Oh, no, be doing more when you doing burial online. About the person's parents. Oh, no, be doing
Video need them say Toma. But I'll be presenting in the court of law. She was a Jpac and Ando to Yamane, my father. Did I hear anybody say that Jpac is taking illegal matter? Did I fucking hear anybody?
I'm a be alive for you.
Did I hear any fucking body? Jpac, if you don't take me to legal, I can now program me.
To my own, analyze. I'm calling for you to analyze it. You fucking useless people.
I'm waiting for you to return from China. I am waiting for you. Because of this statement, I have reopened me and your matter. Si no technical Chineke gbogi.
See that video ngang Elahaya Uriaku make a life he call in isi Janu Mammy. Shameless woman, Ijanu Mammy. You are not even afraid. You
don't suffer.
You said the Janu Mammy, Teta in your life. Oh, what Mammy Janu because you are 24 hours online.
I don't suffer.
Even 24 hours online. Even in Canada, they must be here in one. I'm coming to analyze that thing, I'm coming for it.
Did I hear I will not forgive Nkechi Benko? Did I hear I will not forgive Nkechi Benko? Did I hear I will not forgive Nkechi Benko?
Your generation, you evil. Useless fucking soul. You can share on social media. We never see anything. You forgot to name yoga. You pay for it. You can what they pay. No, sorry. Everything. If you met on na Facebook. Oh, Amakadora. Oh, this is who you. You forgot so soon the one you and your sister did.
No, what for this life?
How you people is. Victim now. This
This last get as it be.
What a useless set of fools. I'm not coming for you. I will analyze that your video and I'm gonna cost again. I couldn't picture my mother doing a platform.
She make a god of now this statement abakala mishi.
Group will picture my mother when with them in a platform Charlotte name your master. I will never fail to come out and destroy you people. I could destroy you now, no go do shit. The very useless, incompetent, useless, shower waters. And then I shower all of you. Come on, you people should go and get a life and settle down and marry. Useless fools. Single mother with different men. Single mother with different children with different men.
Now this life is somehow.
In a claim victim. All of you, even when you put in a platform and knows what you did. Everybody online. Which girl want to go and make up openly apology to okay. It will go to useless fools. I just want to remind you, that when you look at her face, women escape from imbecile. You
escape him be all of them. They all escaping be.
Ask you a question. May God punish whatever you represent and whatever that represents you. Fool everywhere. Bastard you. Come on, go and get a life. Online. You sponsor Saga. You pay for Saga. You do everything.
Now these people are
useless set of fools. Okay, continue.
Thank you, my dear. Dear, Ashawa Makabipu. Ashawa Kuromoto. A very hopeless single mother like you. Did you open your mouth and say you will not forgive Nkechi Benko? Emerem Gugini. Ijiga, where my father, Anamoko, my father, where Onuzutaram Bongo, Ejirilian Namona Facebook because of Jpac. Because Jpac brought out and gave it to you guys. Eminem Gigini, before then, have I ever offended you in any way? You bought material on social media. One more corner social media. You said you will not forgive Nkechi Benko. Hey, this life, well, Nkechi Benko. I don't know why you are keeping secret for these idiots. People think we move every material. Jpac, Bali return no China got Chineka Bog. Bali return from that you even them today. Even the thing they provoke anyway, can return. If you don't go legal, me turn the babuogi. Me turn the babuogi. Kenge Sugi is beyond. Look at them. Oh, when I know they sleep again. When I know they sleep again. Guys, I can go gas program until the next day. No, till 6 o'clock or again. Then when me place her daddy, used her brain. Eziokwu, they were brain. They don't get sense. Same me came out to protect you. War. I defended you with all my heart. Protected you. You joined and buried my father because of Jpac. Because Amaka people, because what would your forgiveness do for Nkechi Benko? The only thing Nkechi Benko gained from you guys is to useless her life on social media. The only thing she gained from you and your sister is to support her to be messing her life up for years. None of you reminded Nkechi Benko to go back to school. None of you encouraged Nkechi Benko. You na agba ya ubawano war. Ka kpotara de ko lawyer. Eje po prince opupo. Ke ihe unu mere what to support Nkechi Benko. You came into her life, you destroyed her life, you messed her life up. Forgiveness again, anything okay with Nkechi on the table. Who are you? Who the fuck are you? Amaka Dori, wonye? Nkechi Benko jahono gebaka. Forgiveness again, change or put food on her table. I just don't understand what these bitches thought they are. Well, I like myself. I like myself. I like my fucking life. I fear no bagger. I fear no bagger. I don't know Nkechi Benko's life. I don't know the meaning and the life he will give to Nkechi Benko. That Nkechi Benko will, if forgive Nkechi Benko, he can say that you will never forgive me now. Because why add me in your list? Add them on your list. Add me in your fucking list. Also, dead meat walking. That one. Come on, Gala Bruno system. I'm gonna go mess with life. I'm gonna make placing. Because I can go Igbo credo before I get out of this bitch. The one that report or the gather. Every time I put they will gather my legal gather. Igbo credo na wukere mare. Elena na speaker oh, na speaker.
I'm not here no. Kiwe fu so evil sisters. Mama had demon.
Nanda mundara oh.
Imana unekuye mere no. Ebe kan send the voice. Ozu binte no zo to ebe 4 a.m. O ebe no react no live. Alright. Inja se binita kanyo amel. Kanyo o ebe no live. Imagine only binte ebe 4 a.m. according to what she said. You want before you na basaga. Opala phone.
Hey. Miserable bitch.
Get you Benko. This a big man. Imagine somebody like go get you over there. Oh yeah, come my mother. My mother get you Benko. That is why we make it forgive ya. We make it forgive ya. And another thing is that no may believe na Jpac gave me no get you Jpac. No, that is true. It didn't mean you guys will also believe all the allegation on a boy. Are
you serious?
I'm telling you, I'm just to be safe by 4 a.m. Ogechi. It's a way to tell anyone. Sorry, let me leave you. I want to get back to bed.
Are you fucking serious? Hey! Ocean allegation. Ocean allegation. Ocean allegation. Did I hear allegation? When you came out and told the world that Ogechi was not building hospital, when you fucking took your miserable, frustrated and shallow life, came to life and told people that are not in hospital, uncle. Now, who is the fucked up? Amaka Dora, I challenge you. Stop calling on platform. Oh, you put on power. You never see anything. You will continue to call. Page. Before you die out of heart attack. Utsu. Iga gana agbara jinjimo ko to ho jigide oto gana. Iga gana agbara. Chema be agbe put a picture gi aka people man onye wo. Chere, your case is another day. At least Kuchago, your phone gonna have problem. Alisa, what do you a network issue time? What I do? Chere, Amaka Bibu, in Onadi, how many men in Monogama? Now listen, a network issue today. What's going on? Hello? In a network issue, can you hear me?
Can you hear me? I just want to speak quickly. Then I can
go ahead.
Can you hear me? So, so when people are talking about now, I want for the dead, you should put that. Hey, I'm not going to that. When people are talking about
hey,
you. Stop hearing me. No, Ogechi. You make the goal. Only Punegi. Your mother. Punegi. Who's who can you forgiveness? Who the hell does your forgiveness stand for? Of what use? Of what value is your freaking fucking forgiveness? Can you get it? Can you get mother? What did you guys bring into Benko's life? If not war.
Destroy the market.
Hey, nobody's talking about forgiveness. Nobody's talking about peace. There's no calmness. Now we go in a group. Now we have I don't know the kind the people in Nigeria some people some people book yeah. Now you are way back so way back and not people down. That is what you two people I don't get the level of bitterness you guys have. I don't want the level of bitterness.
A woman that pay money to seek for Igbo one Ibe. Useless human being. Don't worry, I will all got done no development. I'm gonna know here. I'm gonna send them the voice note to be.
I almost send it to me. I'll send them the hey. That is why you guys are. Hey. Don't come out. When they cook. God salary and we see what out evil.
As in nature for that woman. I put my voice note to say check for that woman and be careful. That woman was on one matter people. Be careful go. All she God will surely expose her. You know, remember, I sent it to you now.
I remember. She did a lot of things. But I didn't name oh God. So now God decided to unveil the
by this time I can room.
Check out how God starts to sieve out evil people. Sieve.
Well, show all of them back there on one side.
Yeah. Don't forgive them.
Very evil family. Evil to
achieve. Nothing. Before you enter out, you put yourself in the fight. Check if it's a fight you can win. It's a fight that can affect you emotionally, financially, psychologically, otherwise. What did it bring? Tears, cry, in both sides. We know the disease. Mandibe Buchero, Ogechi that got not involved in Mankechi. Both sides lost. Everybody lost in the fight. So Does it now tell me what gain? Nobody gained anything. And at the end of the day, it is still
If
boiled down
if you can
to
believe
business
it,
and
if you can
livelihood.
believe it, eh? Did I hear? Hey.
If you can believe it, because it's like, it seems like some people were typing, Jpac might say it, you may be doing, but okay. Now, so if you can be there, Miss, oh, you're the accusation, is accusing the fact. Yeah, it is true. It is. I don't know, are you not going to bury Sabbath?
Excuse me, oh. Amakadora. Tomorrow, yes, tomorrow got a good day. I know I'm off tomorrow. I'm a jiggy pito my saga chain. I'm a jiggy pito. Send that voice note. Send that voice note. Send that I lie you. Send that voice note. I'm a jiggy pito. People be my life again. Even when you come in now, did I hear say Yauru need believe? I'm not going him to get everything I said about you is nothing but the truth. You are the demon behind. All working with the reason the book put a record do bleacher. You have to pay money to that hungry charge and bell Eliza nurse before she starts making those voice notes. Arguing will destroy bleacher one more time. Arguing will only on a Jpac bleacher. You paid your last dime to make sure you taught bleacher a lesson.
One himself, all I wanted to reach him.
The woman never wanted to do anything. You forced you make it. She and Neko will you are just, let me tell you, Bleacher is just deceiving herself where you are. And you're also deceiving yourself where Bleacher is. Simple. I don't pretend I don't lie. One thing about me is that I am very real to a fault. If you are not useless, or what wouldn't I hear them about you? Why do you killing Nama every day?
Every year.
Get one number for you guys to live long. Did I lie against you? In a good number for your head to stay. Every year, get one number, you live for long. You will die one day. Very soon, number will fade away. Those ghosts you are sacrificing to live, they will fade away. Only cannot open you can't run away from it. When Bleacher told us that thing like Bleacher put that one that all wash. Let Bleacher come and debunk it. You need a Bleacher put about you, you are an oboni brought up. Oboni open no and when I be Torena, and when I be banana top is in destroy. You are not a peaceful, you are a deaf in a river inside the Natonaga Barage war. Who you pay up Tabarage war. Anybody associate with you. And let me tell you, do you know why? Emana that Ogechi nam Kaligodrigi. Emana Goti nam Kaligodrigi, manam woman and mad. You know. So the people you can buy that need friendship and little money are Bleacher and all of them, those hungry bastards. You can't near me. What I go? All of you are useless. Oh, na one negi punyeremu picture one Bleacher. You are definitely children. Anything I did not ask you for Bleacher's children. Now you carry the Bleacher child. So anybody that pretends to be you guys are useless. I'm to let you know. Who hate you? Who never pretend? Who get your moon in she? Una go poison on ourselves. Una banana no. All because I want to talk about them. And I want with food chase. Everything I said about you, Amaka be when nigga walk over bring a club at the age of 40 or 35 from walk or washing. You guys now rats. You guys die like rats. Wish your moon. And I call Birmingham to get regashi. Everything I said is nothing but the truth. You a demon. You like to use people, but you can't use Ogage. How more Ogage? I am your boss. You can't use me.
So I don't understand what you're saying. In fact, you need to because anywhere that's emotional for people that watches them.
Copy it for me.
Emotional for record where would you correct ya?
Ọ dị mkpa ma kọmentị ya o ma kọlụ ya o ọ dị mkpa.
Oh, you are winning us post for this time. If you guys don't know, say people must know people know like this because oh God. More you do into the
On a human on a G of their peace.
All the while I abuse it if I knew, but when you got about this man.
Thank you. Thank you.
All the allegation, even Simon, a lot of how many has you come to?
Exactly.
So suddenly finding is not important to you. Don't backfire you. So suddenly finding is not important. Suddenly. If I died first, with some issues, people are still some issues. Enemies, yeah, not drag. It's not new also first. If I know the issues here. How many has you guys come out to talk about?
How many people on that moment? How many people are let me tell Ona they waste the time. Oku is just a waste of time. And we who game me.
Find your as a new person. On this matter. Is that the truth? Has we ever come out to talk about this one because of no gauge life? How many people who play their matter? Any people now watch that joke, that best side. Stop that escaping. Any joke, record carrier. I was thinking that this is me. Only car.
Okay, trust me. I personally will bring you back to Nigeria. You will surely face the consequences you did. Dear Nigerian citizens, please, I need you guys. I need you guys, your support, English, by contributing any amount. How so I can be able to take this case too far because I don't have much cash to me.
I need it. That's so easy.
I want to go contribution on my platform.
Okay, since you go and put it short. Don't shoot that on his
the next time now we are contributing money to arrest Ogechi.
No, to send this tapo.
To send this tapo to bring Ogechi. Don't be fooled though. There is nothing absolutely shaken. Don't fall. Yes, I don't fall.
I think you have justice.
No,
you leave everything. Because this is the last fight. You don't need to take it. I think you release it. Because you release here. Hana people. Hana yo no but divani. When you hang about to the share, banana, Divano, when you oh my God, these people are sick. Oh my.
Did Jim? I don't need a lot of people to put you behind bar. Upon any name and
okay, just see. This is okay. I mean, declare what. Oh my God. I was not ready to my amigo, I would have declare what. Oh my God. Hey,
it's not triggered.
Us the princess, okay. Don't worry, no, it's just when you get declared wanted, and that is when your eyes will open. You see, hey, oh my. Hey, this is the few I had. Because I'm not getting. Men are talking about investments. Men are talking Men are talking about houses, cars. Men are talking about businesses. This is just that if you're a reasonable woman, it's true because it's didn't call about new Atakawan, yes, the movie. You must only put it in the essence. Not one way, the kingdom. Yeah, not going with the kingdom. But look at. Choose them money, with their money. It is the truth that is destroying you guys. The truth is what is destroying you guys. That is what it is. You guys are liars. Jpac, prove able Gates
because that is what you keep saying. So you need to.
Hello.
Hello, princess. You must be declared.
Onye declare him wanted. Chineke kpọọ mmiri ọkụ. Anụ ọfịa. Mmadụ onye declare him wanted. Mmụọ nke declare him wanted. Mee nata Nigeria. Ịma na egwu adọrọ ya n'anya na nta Nigeria. Ka nwa na ya cross airport. Anụ ọfịa. Nene ikwikwi na aka erire 3 square mil na ayọ Hennessy na program ya na declare him wanted. Hi, atala m ahụ. No, megide program. Megide program. No deserve mmanya ebe a. No deserve kwana mmanya. Nke na-asị ya don't worry. Bịa inbox m that I will give you money. Anụ ọfịa na-ayọ ego na program ya. Maka Chukwu ka mụ na today. Na-ayọ ego na program ya. Na-eweta
Onye batara. Okay.
But speaking, any one na-ege onye aṅụrụma ntị. Nwoke si na tati story
this na-apụtago mgbe ha na-eme this thing their end of the year party apụtago. Ndị ebe wụ Concord. Ndị ebe wụ Concord.
Concord Hotel.
Okay, yes. Ebe nke ha chọkwa ime their end of the year party. Ask them the person ya download. Yes, for the year. As na ha na-eme their end of the year party na Concord. Ama m ebe wụ Concord. I've not been there. Ama m ebe ebe nke achọ imechi this year end of the year hangout.
Ebe a ga-arụnye nwa ihe n'ike a.
Walai talai.
They're really planning it. The flyer.
The person gets send the lemia. Relax. The person gets send the lemia because I'm not to ego. Then this guy na called Donguchi. Ya na Donguchi na-enwe issue. Ọ dịka nke ahụ o nwee ego ọkwa enye nkwa. Mama ihe ọ menye o were iwe wepụ nke nkwa nkwa na ọ ga-eweta 100,000 naira for the party. Walai.
Akwụnụ na ihe na-emeni. Akwụnụ na ihe na-emeni. Oh, ebe ka ha ga-eji runye ụmụazị ihe a n'ikpuchi Disemba.
Na Concord ka a na-eme. Oh, more kiss it. Am I not talking about you? Ginger Mason, he declare you wanted.
So, end of the year, ebe ahụ ga runye ụmụaka na Concord ka a ga-eme ihe.
Yes, na Concord.
Ị ga-wetere m the date a ga-eme the thing. Maybe a ga-eji police gakpụrụ all of them that day.
See, I'm pretty good. I didn't come with another news. See how fast can now work. Or somebody know the group we now about everything.
Ị ga-enye m the date, the day, because it's very important. The date, the day, the venue. Because how change you go the venue? Let me know.
So,
because I'm interested in the case.
So, Jim, tell maka na nsị gị na ịnwa anwa atụ ọkwa na Nigeria. Na ịnwa anwa atụ ọkwa na Nigeria from airport ka ya ebulu.
So, ex-convict Governor Onyoshi in a second call to Jerry Gumachi ihe n'aka n'ike. So this is Dunar. Hey!
I rent your apartment. We open the thing. I am telling you nothing but the gospel truth. No, what they would do, they will rent an apartment, then they video the show. That was what I heard. Na Concord catch me. So my chapter read the date, catch me na Concord Hotel. I'll get the dates. I will.
The dates, any dream the location, any dream the venue, you wrote the address, any because any dream plot to somebody or don't worry. I know we know how to execute the plan. Don't worry.
So
any dream everything. You need
to
go there.
Na Concord.
Only dream
Oh. That is why Iro Hospital kita. Because it is HIV. Obologino, Okoto. That is only Hannah for marathon sex. Oh, Papa Neme.
Can't get marathon sex because. I'm not for. Think marathon sex.
Zanzam. Oh, marathon sex.
Because what good is Zanzam for me? Because I we need to know. What can they get money here? Zanzam, what cake?
Check and call. You return executive garden. If they want to bring you in, I say you become the nigga Boko line Zanzam. Zanzam will bring it or bring it down. On Abu Zanzam.
So go put any ukino.
Gina Hawa Zanzam, watch as ha Zanzam. If they like you, Achologo ego yotago. I say autumn care sharp. That's what they do there.
Oh, so Zanzam we get boost we up looking well there.
Gina onya wanya as in bring it or bring it down. Oh yeah, never. Zanzam.
How many people on the group?
For now, I don't know.
Because Jotago dream month of ladies.
I'll find out. Don't worry. First one, let me know. I will. Kinsili Onyala. Kinsili, I challenge you. I want to interact to with the doctor's report. Information. I want to challenge. Sister Oge. Kinsili na akpontu. Imoya biamalum. Challenge on akpontu. Onye mee anyị ji mmalụ na Kingsley na-akpọ ntụ bụ woman leader. Woman leader bụ si na-eme program nwanne ụnyaahụ. Ọ sị Kingsley ọ bụ na ị nara akpọ ntụ gị bịa gosi anyị result. So Kingsley I challenge you ọ bụ na ị nara akpọ ntụ jee mee test gosi anyị. Kingsley na-akpọ ntụ. That is why Aria ji wado ka agịrị.
Okay, ịma na ndị agara Malaysia nweghị ihe ha ga-emechali.
Ndị agaghị na-akpọ ezigbo ntụ. Ezigbote ntụ.
Ndị alala iyo. Ndị alala iyo.
Wallahi.
Alala hụ ala Igbo anyị iyi.
He can't sit properly. He cannot. So Kingsley, I challenge you. Agiri akpa atịtị. Ukwu ule. If you are sure na ị nara akpọ ntu, bịa go say doctor's report. Ị na-akpọ ntu. Kpọnarịa ndị na-akpọ ntu. Hoo ha. A na-ekwu oke ihe na-egwu eme Ifeanyịba. Ọ bụ ma mgbe nwoke a na-amakwa ajụọla. I swear to God. Senator. That man, ihe ọ na-ama mmadụ n'ụla adịrọ mma. Because my cousin, ha na ha so mee party mgbe a. Anọnwụ na imetara ihe the man na-ekwu n'ụla ọkwa igbowa. I swear to God. Onye na-amakwa ajụọla. Ọ na-enwe ezigbote rekọd. Ọ ka ọ bụ na-ekwute okwu. That man enwekwa ezigbo rekọd. Hapụ iwe ebe ọ na-aghalị alịcha. Onye kwu eziokwu pante ya adọka. Ma na-ekwu ebe nke m bụrụ ha kpọsara m. Ọ danwe ezigbo rekọd. Afọta ndị na-ewu ebe.
Hapụ onye ha na-ezuzu ha na-achọ onye ọchụnọ last fight. Which last fight? A fight mụ na unu forever.
So that is it.
Fight mụ na unu forever. Ụwa niile ga-ama ihe unu na-eme.
Tupu ka mụ na mgbe nwoke a nọ ndị ihe nwoke a na-ebu mmadụ n'ụla. Hai Jesus. Ihe ọ na-ama n'ụla adịrọ mma. I swear.
Ama ihe ọfụma ma ide.
Nwochie na ntị n'ebe a na-akọrọ m.
Ama ya mmemme ọchọ Jpac na-akọrọ m. Jpac gbara m ihe
Jpac onye ahụ kwa eze asịrị. Ihe o ji akụnye 101 wasị adọkwa mma. 101 aka abịalịa wedding. Ọ ka abịakwalịa wedding. Ihe mere na o jiri bịalịa wedding ọkwa maka asịrị Jpac ji esi. Ọkwa ozu asịrị. Onye a na-agaba ile bam ọkwa Jpac. Ile ncha ọ na-agaba ịgala. Jpac.
Ka m dapụ na ana m aga wite ebe mụ na di m ga-aga ị ga-ekwu leta.
Nne m ngwa
bye nnọọ. Ka m bịa kpaa egwu Igwe Credo before m apụọ here. I like that song. Guys, echi na di m eruola ọ ga-asị what is wrong with me? I like that song. That song makes a lot of sense. Oh, this one. Okay.
Babamba Chutego, Balan, Ibego, to chop life.
At the point I won't live my life, no one knows tomorrow. If I die today, they don't go bury me with my money.
Normally, we go chase money, Babamba Chutego, and then I say,
my people
Tomorrow. Vamos, sí que tienen la hora, swag. Okay.
Babamba Chutego, Balan, Ibego, to chop life.
At the point I won't live my life, no one knows tomorrow. If I die today, they don't go bury me with my money.
Normally, we go chase money, Babamba Chutego, and then I say,
my people
I like to hear you about.
Babamba Chutego, Balan, Ibego, to chop life.
At the point I won't live my life tomorrow. If I die today, then I'll bury me with my money.
Normally, just money, Baba, go to go. My name is
Jpac or the other one. I like him the other track too.
Got me feeling insecure every night and day.
You have to stand for everything. Time to hustle and time to see someone. Time to dance and time to smile. Time to cry and wipe your tears. And come on, you know, beat yourself.
She said you should get ready to hear from her lawyer who will become Onye Justice the Makmok beg waiting the Onye which lawyer from which end because the justice Onye get ready for the lawyer. Who be the person? Justice Superior, you know how they watch all these people. He said, no, yes, you know, I'm ready for lawyer because who be the person? Justice the Makmok, him and take that and I'm like a fire again, where? You want to go? So who talk? Okay, good night from his side. The guy told me, ma, who said that I should wait for their lawyer? Kamara did that way. That last bunch of idiots. Which of them could you prove that I should? Justice Kwonu na, I want to know. Come you punya more, come punya more. You want to go? Yes, him that I should wait for their Ugo Benigbo. N'ebe ọkacha mma no. Ebe ahụ ka ọkacha mma. Echefuola kpọ gaje ebe ese ikpu my daughter. Ugo Benigbo, you have forgotten ije ese ikpu nwa nwaanyị na monitor. So echefuola ị gaje ebe ese ikpu nwa m nwaanyị. Or echefuola the video you conducted 2019/2020 that na ga-efe efufe nne gị na nna gị that you showed her picture. Come on, fuck off! Shut up! Anani ya lawyer gị. Debe picture gị ahụ nọ. Lekwa onye na-eke ikpu ya. Ba lawyer gị. Even send your lawyer to my page. Lekwa their shower picture. Come and be shown. Shut your trash. Where is that your prostitute picture? Kebe shower picture gang on. Where is that your akunalistic picture? Thunder babu kwegi. If I know hear from your lawyer, thunder babu kwegi babu again a lawyer again. Chere keba my sorry. Where's that your picture? Sorry. Did I hear? Oh, am I home in a oh. The one I got the one I read we are 30,000. The way here. Oh yeah. She's the one that sold her equal 30,000. Oh, you never. So oh, you are forgetting when you are going to. You don't even know I made the police report on your head. Oh, the idiot who has forgetting that she said she gonna get my minor daughter's picture up. Fake aside everywhere. That she's on my case. That that she is on the back of my dumb Jirigaba police report. Oh, you scared me. Let me tell you. You are made the police report when you say that they're not at the front of my door. When he gets excuse you. Hello. Please call your lawyer very well. If you need to enter jail before your time, may not don't keep push here your button. Akuna, have you forgotten when you said police report one school that is a monster? That is a monster that is targeting to picture my daughter's equal. What is this one that sold her equal? Oh, what an innocent cop. Oh, Ogechi cried me. Ogechi, sorry. Lawyer is coming. Look. Hey, Jerry. So the thing they enter on our body. Hey, but why you guys calling police? Do you know why I went and made a police report? Because my daughter is a minor. She knows nothing that has happened. She's not involved. You threatened her. I had to inform school, yeah. I had to sit my daughter down. Oh, you have forgotten. Idiot. Oh, your messages, oh, your voice, where you are calling, threatening my daughter. Nige make sure. Nige seti blast fire to the world. I'm scared of Uge Benipu. I'm scared of Igo and shower. The only woman that is busy distributing her Igbo for 30K naira. Oh, wait, did the bully start crying that the bully her, follow bully, the bully her? Oh, wait, come back. I'm going to court. That somebody that said that I'll get rape, mum. She told mum because all the rape, grandma, that so deep, we are threatened my minor child that she will so that she will make sure that she naked my daughter. The deep mum is not taking me to court. I'm a 4G. That's your lawyer or my dodge harm, a prostitute that shall. So your past life they pay you. Oh. You need to forget everywhere where they tell them I'm a criminal, I'm a scammer, I scam, I thief, I Ogechi is going to court. Ashukwa me ebuku onye ri 30,000 gbuogi. Ashukwa m wozi yoro wurukwa ekoto. Ona ni je court. Ona ni kpola ya. Bo FBI. So on a dating lifestyle depend on. Oh, you know they hear you madam say you know they call police. Bleacher say he call me ya call say she know they go police. But why you won't go police? Your madam say you know don't understand. Why you not go? The same your madam they push up Abuja say now she go bring them heaven. Wait. Does it mean that Abuja is not competent enough? Una was here from the irony of life. Oh. Onye kenyere gị gị nye ya chọba lawyer, chọba police. God Abuja Korobono come my pen. Pam 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 pam. God Abuja boy tapo. Let me tell you one thing you don't understand. If I get you from man of God, don't ever say anything about that person. Day your day. So you go court, bring a place where this person call or even threatening you. Gamana de sam. But hunamu na. Any of you that was on money enter. Muno na chem pam muno na aka. Now myself supposed to arrest her. No know why I got there assist me. What I go? So una madam Bilicha say, oh ya no koto ugbu a ya gawa police. But amami here, madam Ogechi Okeke gi ko program boy Nkechi Benko. Madam they na get him and grandmother. Me people ya. Alabe. Yeah, have fun. Yeah, no no. Okay, I'm gonna badawalam. Okay, badawalam. All right, you're not downstairs. Okay, but okay, bye. Unu ga-arapụta m o. Unu ga-achụkwa m na di o. Unu ga-achụkwa m na di. Hapụkwanụ m aka.